Have you ever wondered why cryptocurrencies still haven't become part of our daily lives? The answer is simple. Until now, blockchain hasn't solved its biggest challenge, making payments as seamless as your bank's app. PayFi and TON is changing the game. It's not just about transfers. It's a whole new way to buy goods, pay for services, and make crypto usable in everyday life, instantly and with almost zero fees. Today, we will dive into what PayFi is, the hot new trend in crypto that could be the key to mass blockchain adoption. PayFi isn't just about money. It's about how blockchain bridges the real world with decentralized finance, and TON is already taking the first step in this direction. So, what is PayFi? PayFi, short for payment finance, brings crypto into daily life. It's all about using crypto to pay for real-world goods and services quickly and seamlessly. Think of it like paying for your coffee in an app, but without banks and their fees. PayFi tackles the biggest pain points of traditional finance. Instant settlements, no days-long waits like Swift, on TON, transactions finalized in seconds. Minimal fees. Instead of a 3 to 6% for international transfers, you're down to a fraction of a percent. Universal access. All you need is the internet. No bank account required to send or receive funds. Why are TON and PayFi the perfect match? For blockchain-based payments to go mainstream, the network needs high throughput, low fees, stablecoin support, and reliable integrations. TON delivers on all fronts. Speed. In a public test audited by Certec, TON processed over 100,000 transactions per second with negligible delay. Stablecoins. TON supports USDT TON and set to add TSUSDE from Ethena, offering users more flexible and liquid payment options. Growing payment ecosystem. Businesses can already accept TON coin and USDT TON through services like CryptoMoose and Now Payments. TON enables payments through QR codes, e-commerce plugins, and more, giving merchants multiple ways to integrate crypto into familiar interfaces. In 2025, TVM Ventures launched a $100 million fund to supercharge PayFi and DeFi on TON, aiming to make TON the go-to payments blockchain. Some analysts estimate that the PayFi market could reach $1.8 trillion by 2030. That's 20 times the size of DeFi today. While still in early stages, TON's growing payment ecosystem and integrations like USDT TON are already laying the groundwork for smoother, real-world crypto usage. PayFi on TON is the future, where using blockchain could be as effortless as swiping your card, and we're only at the beginning. Want to learn more about PayFi and other TON innovations? Subscribe, hit like, and share this video. This was TON Learn. Stay tuned for all the latest from our ecosystem. See you in the next video.